Imagine the speed of a race car, built for precision, power, and performance. It navigates the track with purpose, accelerating towards the finish line with unmatched focus. This is the spirit of the African CEO, moving fast, strategically navigating the challenges, and staying ahead of the competition.
It holds endless stories.
It's not just about speed, but control, direction, and the drive to succeed. Like a race car, an African CEO is built to lead, adapt, and achieve greatness. Accelerate your journey. Become the driver of your destiny.